Court upheld the constitutionality of the UP Madrasa Act, reversing an earlier Allahabad High Court ruling that had declared it unconstitutional. However, the court ruled that the Uttar Pradesh Madrasa Board cannot issue higher education degrees like Kamil and Fazil after class 12th, as these certificates conflict with the UGC Act. This decision allows UP Madrasa to continue under state-regulated educational standards. The verdict followed a petition by madrasa managers challenging the Allahabad High Court's decision, with the UP government arguing against a full repeal of the act, suggesting only a review of specific provisions impacting fundamental rights. A 9-judge constitution bench, led by Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, issued a landmark ruling on Tuesday, clarifying that the state cannot forcibly acquire privately owned properties. The court emphasized that resources societal utility does not grant the state the right to acquire it. However, it acknowledged that certain private properties necessary for public welfare can be converted into community property for state acquisition. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud noted 3 distinct opinions among 6 judges with him, stating it is incorrect to rely on the minority opinion in the cases of Sanjeev Koka and Ragnatha Reddy. He elaborated that distribution has a broad interpretation, potentially encompassing the vesting of state resources. Justice J. Nagarathna, the 8th member of the bench, highlighted the need for a flexible constitutional interpretation to adapt to societal changes. Conversely, Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, the 9th member, expressed support for the minority view but argued that private property could be considered part of the material resources of the community if it supports societal needs. The Constitution Bench had reserved its decision on May 1st after 5 days of hearings. This ruling overturns numerous previous Supreme Court decisions dating back to 1978, which had allowed for the acquisition of all private properties by the government. The Delhi High Court has denied Khalid Saifi's request to challenge the attempt to murder charges linked to the 2020 Delhi plea, affirming that there is adequate evidence to support the charges against him and others involved in the case. A trial court had previously framed these charges against Saifi, Ishrat Jahan and 11 others in January 2024. Although they were acquitted of violation under the Arms Act, Saifi's lawyer argued that the murder charge was unfounded, but the High Court upheld the trial court's ruling. The Supreme Court did not provide any relief to the Muslim side in the Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi dispute today, postponing the hearing on a petition that challenges the Allahabad High Court's decision. On August 1st, the Allahabad High Court allowed 18 petitions, collectively filed by the Hindu side, which claims the disputed side is Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi and seeks its return to Hindus. The Muslim side contested this and appealed to the Supreme Court. A bench comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Sanjay Kumar has requested responses from the parties regarding whether the petition can only be filed in the High Court. The Shahi Eidgah Committee submitted 3 petitions, and the court asked both sides to present brief written arguments on the maintainability of the Hindu side's case. The hearing has been postponed for 2 weeks. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with the daily court proceedings.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Ritam app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Ritam app, where every story matters.